Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is Cindy Singh here. If you are also suffering dark circles problem, then yes, this video is for you, because in this video I'm going to share with you 5 home remedies that will help you to reduce or treat your dark circles. So let's get started with the first one. The first home remedy is black coffee. You have to make some black coffee, let it be cool down. Once it get, then dip a cotton pad or cotton in it, apply this on your dark circles, and yes, leave it for 20 to 30 minutes and wash off. The 5 home remedies that I'm gonna tell you in this video, you must keep these home remedies for at least 20 to 30 minutes. You have to use them regularly, at least for 2 weeks. You will start getting result in 1 week, or it depend on your skin. If your dark circles are not so stubborn, then you will start getting result in 2 to 3 days. Otherwise, it basically depend on your skin type. Okay, so the second remedy is chilled raw milk. First you have to take some raw milk, put it in refrigerator for 1 hour, and then bring it out, apply this on your dark circles. If you want, you can dip a cotton pad and put that cotton pad on your affected area, or you can simply massage raw milk on your eyes like so for 5 to 10 minutes, then leave it on your skin. It will get dry in 1 or 2 minutes. Then again apply second layer, second time raw milk, and again massage it, leave it for 5 to 10 minutes, and yes, then wash off. As I told you, do this regularly, at least for 15 days. If you want, you can leave this raw milk on your eyes for overnight. Next remedy is curd and turmeric. Here I am mixing curd, chilled curd, and that turmeric. You can adjust the quantity according to your preference. Apply this on your dark circles, leave it for 30 minutes, and then wash off. And do this remedy at bedtime or at evening time, because this remedy has turmeric, and you shouldn't step out after using turmeric in direct sunlight, because it will make your skin more darker. For more faster result, you can try these remedies twice a day also. Next remedy is oats and honey. If you're having oats and honey, then yes, you can try this remedy. Mix oats and honey, and yes, apply this on your affected area. Again, leave it for 30 minutes and then wash off. You can do this remedy anytime, in the morning or in the evening, anytime. So this is how you have to apply this. This remedy will moisturize your skin, not only reducing the dark circles. Guys, the home remedies I'm telling you here are kitchen based ingredient, so don't expect them to work like chemical based product, because this is not rocket science at all. They will take some longer time to give results, so keep patience. Okay, so the last remedy is my favorite one, that is coconut oil. If you are my regular viewer, then you must know how much I love coconut oil. So basically you have to take some coconut oil, apply this on your eyes, and massage it well for 1 minute. Leave it overnight on your skin. To treat your dark circles, you can use coconut oil, olive oil, or almond oil. These 3 oils works very well on dark circles, and along with oil massage, also carry 1 or 2 home remedy that will give you more faster result. So I hope you have enjoyed this video, and if you do, then come back to my channel. Stay home, stay safe, stay healthy. I will be back soon in my next video. Till the next time, take care, have a very nice day. Bye bye.